Who needs a coffee? I need a coffee! Ah! Today, we're gonna make my ultimate iced coffee.
With booze!
Who said that? Okay, let's start. We're gonna make a concentrated cold brew coffee. I've got some coffee beans here, the Grizzly Claw by Kicking Horse. These are organic coffee beans. They're a dark roast with a kind of a chocolatey finish. Oh, it's gonna be concentrated. I have to concentrate. Yeah, I'm going for 2 cups. 2 cups. Okay, I've got 2 cups, or that's 164 grams, and we're gonna have to just do this in little increments. This is a lovely dark roast. I think dark roast works better. Here we go. And you want a coarse grind. Actually, that looks pretty good. Oh, and we're just gonna dump that right into this little milk nut bag here. You want a coarse grind because we're gonna brew this overnight. And the coarse grind is gonna help the mix not become bitter as it sits overnight, you know? And we're gonna go again. I'm gonna be a bit here, so I think we can go to a clock wipe, okay? You don't have to sit through this. Okay, I think we're in. Oh yeah. I got 3 cups of filtered water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit to this mix in our milk bag here. And you wanna get all those grounds mixed in there so there's no dry sections, you know, get it all mixed in. Now, I know this might look like an extravagant setup, but you could use a French press and get the same results. 3 cups. So you want to just cover this, okay? You can either put it in the refrigerator. I don't. I just leave it on the counter overnight, covered up. Now, if you don't want to go through all this, you could just use, you know, ground coffee out of your cupboard and throw some water in there and call it a day. Nice and easy, right? But grinding those beans from scratch changes everything. It really does. One more thing I want to mention. When you're ready to go in 24 hours, you know, you take out your bag, right? And you don't want to squeeze it too much, right? Because that's going to give a little bit of that bitterness back into your mix. When you're all done, ready to go, I like to strain it through a coffee filter. Get all the sediment out. Okay, I'm going to go cover this and I'll see you in 24 hours. So, it's been 24 hours, and look at this puppy. You could just go to your grocery store and pick up a can of cold brew coffee. But making it yourself, I don't know, makes you feel good. You did something today. You got off the couch. It's black. It's beautiful. Smells like coffee. I gotta try some. And I did filter it through a coffee filter. Oh yeah, it's sweet. It's not bitter, it's coffee. It's concentrated coffee. Whoa. I'm gonna be up all night. Okay, I got some whipping cream here. I'm going to use a 1/2 cup here of whipping cream in a chilled bowl, because that always makes it fluff up a little nicer, you know? So I've got some icing sugar, powdered sugar, organic icing sugar. I'm going for 3 tablespoons, 23 grams. Perfect. And our final ingredient in this little mix right here, I've got some Angostura chocolate bitters. And I don't know, maybe about 4 to 6 dashes. Yeah. And let's get to whipping. Okay, we're getting a real nice texture going on there. And what I want to do now is add some coconut rum to it. Yeah. How much? I'm thinking about an ounce at least. And an ounce and a half. Sure, why not? Okay, keep whipping. Ooh, coconut whipped cream. You know, you could use store-bought whipped cream, but it doesn't taste as good. Keep whipping. Okay, I think we're there. Do I get to lick the, That wouldn't do well, would it? Okay, let's make the ultimate iced coffee.
With booze.
Who said that? Okay, we're gonna start with our cold brew coffee, and we're going for 1.5 ounces, okay? In our blender. Yeah. And dark rum. 1.5 ounces. Aha. And of course, Cointreau. Now we've used this combination before. Dark rum and Cointreau. And you're probably wondering, well, why are you using it again? Because it tastes good. 1.5 ounces. I don't know, I just think dark rum and orange just taste awesome. Next is runny honey. We want 2 teaspoons. Oh yeah. Or I guess that's 10 mil, right? Yeah. Perfect. The honey is just going to balance the whole thing out because the coffee is strong because it's concentrated. Okay, let's ice this up. So it sort of looks like I've got about 6 ounces there of ice. In our blender we go. Grab a lid, blend it up hard, blend it up fast, about 30 seconds maybe. 30 seconds until it's like luscious, creamy, smooth. Let's go get our glasses. I've got them in the freezer. Okay, so I'm making 2 drinks here because, well, 1 big drink will get you wired. Oh yeah. Look at that. Luscious, creamy, smooth. Okay. And we're going to top it with our flavored whipped cream, our flavored coconut whipped cream. Yeah. We're going to garnish here with a little bit of, I've got some dark chocolate, sea salt chocolate. Yeah, just a little bit over top. Yeah, chocolate, coffee, orange. Ha! And to make it even more special, I made these chocolate covered orange segments. Oh yeah. We're just going to pop them on the side here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. I get excited. I do. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, and why not some coffee beans? I need my coffee. 3, because it's lucky. All right. Oh, and there you have it. The ultimate iced coffee.
With booze.
Let's try it out, eh? Oh, coffee heaven. That's freaking good, man. I'm gonna be up all night. It's creamy. The honey just blended everything together, taking the edge off the strength of the coffee. It's coffee driven all the way, you know. Absolutely delicious. You know, I'm not getting a lot of the rum. The rum just kind of like disappeared. It's there for the kick, right? The Cointreau is coming through like 90. So you've got this strong coffee, orange flavor, chocolate delight. How else can I describe it? It's damn good. Perfect for a hot day, out on your patio, or cramming for a test. Yeah, no, it can be a lot of work, but you know, you can go out and you can buy store-bought goods, you know, store-bought coffee, already cold brewed, a can of whipped cream, but I'll tell you, it really is worth the effort. If I can do it, you can do it too. Ha! In our blender we go. Grab a lid. Ah!
Didn't you say you wanted 4 ounces?
Yeah, I know, it's 4 to 6. It sort of turned out to 6. Okay, try that again. Pop a lid on. These are so flippin' good. This is like my 3rd one. Ain't gonna sleep at all tonight. They really are delicious. You know, I really want to thank you for allowing me into your coffee space, because I know that's sometimes a real private thing, you know? It's my space, it's my coffee. Get wired. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe and check some other videos, and oh, hit that little bell too, okay? And yeah, make it, and I'll see you next time, I guess. I don't know. I'm wired, man.